Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about FTP and types of FTP. We will also look at the working of FTP. So let's start with FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client and server on a computer network. FTP is built on a client-server model architecture using separate control and data connections between the client and the server. FTP may be used by a business to transfer files from one computer system to another, or websites may be use FTP to upload or download files from a website server. So, for example, if someone images to network devices such as firewalls and routers, TFTP is a connectionless protocol which uses UDP, User Datagram Protocol. It is unreliable protocol. I will explain UDP and TCP/IP in a separate video. Let's see how FTP works. There are a couple of ways to transfer files. First one is internet browser, which provides command line interface. So for example, open up an internet browser and type in FTP server address that we want to connect. After connection is established, we can download files from FTP server. Second one is FTP client, which provides a graphical user interface. There are many FTP clients that we can use, but the most popular and free FTP client is FileZilla, which we can download for free. On the left side we have files and folders on our local computer. On the right side we have files and folders on FTP server. From here simply we can drag and drop or download these files on our computer. For file transfer, FTP creates two TCP connections, control and data connection. Control connection is used to transfer control information like passwords, commands to retrieve and store files. Data connection is used to transfer the actual files. Both of these connections run side by side during the entire file transfer process. Clients initiate conversation with servers by requesting to download a file using FTP. A client can upload, download, delete, rename, move and copy files on a server. A user typically needs to log on to the FTP server, although some servers make some or all of their content available without login. FTP sessions work in passive or active modes. In active mode, after a client initiates a session via a command channel request, the server initiates a data connection back to the client and begins transferring data. In passive mode, the server instead uses the command channel to send the client the information it needs to open a data channel. Because passive mode has the client initiating all connections, it works well across firewalls and network address translation gateways. Let's talk about the advantages. FTP enables sharing large files and multiple directories at the same time. FTP lets you resume the file sharing if it was interrupted. FTP lets you recover lost data and schedule a file transfer. There are a couple of disadvantages. FTP lacks security. Data, usernames and passwords are transferred in plain text, making them vulnerable to malicious actors. FTP lacks encryption capabilities, making it non-compliant with industry standards. Alright, well, this was an epic learning curve in this video. So before we end up today's video, if you have any question regarding today's video, leave a comment under the video and also subscribe to my channel if you want to stay updated with information technology. Thank you all. Good luck. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.